Have you ever pondered how your inner feelings and beliefs shape the life you lead? It's a profound concept to grasp, yet it's as simple as within, so without. This principle suggests that our external reality is a direct reflection of our internal state. In other words, our feelings, our emotions, they are the architects of our lives. Consider this. When you're in a positive state of mind, when you're feeling upbeat, have you noticed how things just seem to fall into place? It's as if the universe is conspiring to match your inner joy. But on the flip side, when we are in a bad mood, when our inner world is stormy, we tend to attract not-so-good circumstances. Our emotions are like a magnet, drawing to us experiences that mirror our inner state. It's a fascinating dance between the internal and external world. Remember, our emotions are the paintbrush and our lives are the canvas. Now, I'd like to invite you to join our community and be a part of this exciting journey. Please subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and leave your comments below. Your feedback is essential to us, and we appreciate your thoughts and ideas on this topic. Let's continue this intriguing exploration together. Harnessing the power of positive emotion is an art within itself. This statement is more than just a catchy phrase. It's a fundamental truth that impacts our everyday experiences. Think of your emotions as an artist's palette, each shade representing a different feeling. The way we mix and apply these colors shapes the masterpiece of our lives. Our feelings and beliefs act as a magnet, drawing similar experiences into our lives. This is the principle of like attracts like. When you're radiating joy, contentment, and positivity, you're likely to attract experiences that match these high vibration emotions. On the other hand, if you're stuck in a cycle of negativity and pessimism, you may find that your experiences echo these low vibration emotions. But here's the good news. We have control over this. We can choose to cultivate a positive mindset. And this doesn't mean ignoring or suppressing negative emotions. It means acknowledging them, understanding their root cause, and then intentionally shifting our focus towards positivity. A positive outlook tends to expand our horizons. It opens us up to new opportunities, fuels our creativity, and helps us build strong, meaningful relationships. When we approach life with a positive mindset, we're not just surviving, we're thriving. We're not just getting by, we're flourishing. Positive emotions also have a profound impact on our physical health. They can boost our immune system, lower stress levels, and even increase our lifespan. So maintaining a positive outlook isn't just good for your mind, it's good for your body too. And remember, this is a journey, not a destination. Cultivating a positive mindset is a continuous process. Some days it will be easier than others. That's okay. What matters is that you keep trying, keep believing, and keep painting your life with the vibrant colors of positivity. Just like a magnet, your emotions are always attracting, and what they attract is entirely up to you. So why not choose positivity? Why not choose joy, love, and abundance? After all, you are the artist of your own life. Did you know that you are a creator, always in the act of creation? Yes, that's right. Each of us is constantly creating our reality, moment by moment, through our emotions and beliefs. Our feelings are like paint on the canvas of life, coloring our experiences and shaping our world. Whether we're aware of it or not, this process is always happening. Just think about it. When you're feeling upbeat and positive, don't you notice that things seem to go well? And when you're in a bad mood, it feels like things just aren't going your way. That's not coincidence. The emotions we entertain, the thoughts we dwell on, they're not just passing clouds in the mind. They are powerful forces of creation. It's like we're constantly sculpting our life with the chisel of emotion and belief. This is why mindfulness is so crucial. It's about taking charge of our creative power, about consciously choosing the life we want to create. Your feelings and beliefs are the architects of your life. We've taken a journey into our inner world today. We've discovered the silent power that resides within us all, the ability to shape our realities with the energy of our emotions. We've explored the art of positive emotion and how being upbeat can set the stage for good things to happen. On the flip side, we've seen how a bad mood can cloud our day, casting a shadow on our experiences. As within, so without, a simple yet profound concept that reminds us of our continuous role in creation. Remember, we are always creating every moment of every day. The key is to be conscious of our emotional state and to guide it in a direction that brings about the life we desire. Subscribe, like, and share your thoughts in the comments. Your insights are invaluable to us. Remember, the change starts within you.